Welcome back to everyone. Now I am going to explain your remaining part of your chapter number 1, the fun they had. Margie says that a man who is teaching the students is not as smart as the machine that is teaching them. Tommy replied that don't underestimate this human teacher. He said that he is as knowledgeable as this machine. Betcha means I bet you. In fast speech, I am sure. Now Tommy says that he could bet on it that a human teacher knows as much as the mechanical teacher. मार्गी बहुत ही कंफ्यूज है क्योंकि वो सोचती है कि ह्यूमन टीचर इतना स्मार्ट नहीं होता है जितना मैकेनिकल टीचर, और ना ही उसके पास इतनी नॉलेज होती है जितनी कि मशीन के पास होती है। टॉमी रिप्लाई करता है कि वो इस बात पर शर्त लगा सकता है कि ह्यूमन टीचर के पास भी इतनी ही नॉलेज होती है जितनी कि मैकेनिकल टीचर के पास होती है। डिस्प्यूट मीन्स टू डिसएग्री विद व्हेन यू आर अपोजिंग समथिंग, एंड मार्गी डिडंट वांट टू डिस्कस फर्दर. She didn't want to fight over it, but she didn't want that a strange man, that is the human teacher, should come to her house to teach her. अब मार्गी बिल्कुल भी वाद विवाद नहीं करना चाहती है, वो केवल चाहती है कि ह्यूमन टीचर उसके घर उसको पढ़ाने ना आए. Tommy said that teachers didn't come to their school to teach the children. They had a special building which is a school, and all the students went to the school to study. Now again, Margie is surprised. She asks that did all the children learn the same thing? अब मार्गी को टॉमी बताता है कि उस समय, पुराने समय के बच्चों के पास एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग थी जहाँ पर वो, जिसको स्कूल कहा जाता है, जहाँ पर वो डेली पढ़ने के लिए जाया करते थे. अब मार्गी टॉमी से पूछती है कि क्या वो एक जैसी ही चीज़ को पढ़ते थे, एक जैसे ही सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते थे. टॉमी रिप्लाइड दैट यस, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन हु वर ऑफ द सेम एज. Now, Margie is referring to a machine teacher. She says that her mother says that the machine has to be tuned to the standard of each boy and girl who is studying from this machine, because the machine does not know the age of the child, the caliber of the child. So you have to set the machine at the particular standard according to the standard of the learner. अब मार्गी की मदर ने मार्गी को बता रखा है कि मशीन को नहीं मालूम है कि बच्चे की एज क्या है, उसका कैलिबर क्या है. मशीन को तो सेट करना पड़ता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द लर्नर. Now Tommy is very irritated because Margie is trying to look down upon the book and the information that is given in the book about the past. Now Margie wanted to know what kind of schools were there in the past. अब मार्गी जानना चाहती है कि पुराने समय में किस तरह के स्कूल्स थे. इन द मीन टाइम मार्गीज मदर कॉल्ड because it was the time to go to the school as Margie had read only half of the book. इसी बीच में मार्गी की मदर उसको बुला लेती है क्योंकि अब मार्गी के स्कूल जाने का समय हो गया था. Now Margie's school is in the next room next to her bedroom, and she says to her mother that she doesn't want to go to the school right now. Margie's mother said that you have to go to the school. Then she says that probably it was the time of Tommy to go to the school. Now Margie is so interested in reading the book. She asked Tommy can she read the book after school. अब मार्गी को भी इंटरेस्ट आने लगा है स्कूल के बारे में, ओल्ड टाइम के स्कूल्स के बारे में वो नॉलेज प्राप्त करना चाहती है. वो उससे पूछती है कि क्या वो बाद में बुक को पढ़ सकती है. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm. Now Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the book. अब टॉमी अपने आप को बहुत ही ग्रेट समझता है क्योंकि मार्गी स्कूल के बारे में जानने के लिए बहुत ही उत्सुक है. मार्गी वॉज इन हर स्कूल. इट इज़ अ रूम नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम. इट इज़ अ वर्चुअल स्कूल. देयर इज़ अ मशीन विच विल टीच मार्गी. So Margie studied all the days except Saturday and Sunday at the same time from this mechanical teacher. अब मार्गी उस मैकेनिकल टीचर से सैटरडे और संडे के अलावा सभी डेज पढ़ती है. सो नाउ इन दिस इमेज वी कैन से देयर इज मार्गी एंड देयर इज अ मैकेनिकल टीचर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. सो इट विल टीच हर arithmetic subject, that is mathematics, and the topic is addition of proper fractions. So further the machine is giving her instruction to insert the homework of the previous day in the slot. अब उस मशीन ने मार्गी को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कि वो अपना पहले दिन का होमवर्क स्लॉट में सबमिट करा दे. Now, the author wants to tell us the importance of school in our life. So, this is the life that you all are living at present. But for the future kids, it is just the memory of the past because their life is very different. It will be just like the history of the past. They will study from a machine, and when they come to know that in the past children used to go to school, they used to sit together, laugh, and shout in the school, they will feel curious about it and they will also want to go to school. जब आगे आने वाले फ्यूचरिस्टिक एज के चाइल्ड को पता चलेगा कि पुराने समय में बच्चे कितना मज़ा करते थे तो वो भी इसी तरह के स्कूल में पढ़ना चाहेंगे. So now this is the lesson 1/2 and 1/4. Margie has inserted her homework and the machine has started with the lesson. There is no pause, no time for fun for Margie. Finally, the author ends the story, the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. So now your lesson is completed.